Excuse me, Manju. Don't worry about photos. I'm
Yeah,
taking
yeah.
screenshot. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma. Thank you. I'm just waiting for the participants to join. Just 2 minutes. Sudha, take the participant list also, please. I know already, but still. Just
No, I
reminding.
already took the first lot. First lot
Okay.
I have already taken. Now I
Okay.
can see only 14. Let me wait for another. Let the second session
Yeah,
start
yeah,
and
yeah.
I will.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You can follow
Because
it.
first session I've already taken. First session
Yeah,
taken.
okay. Okay. So shall I start it now? So take a scale. Now I have, this is 12 inches. Okay, 1 feet scale. This is 12 inches. So you have to mark it 1 inch apart. So if you are going to make it as 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters you mark. See, 1 inch for this border, and then 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So that 10 box in between and 2 boxes on the either side. So it is totally 12 boxes will come. Actually, we don't need boxes on the sides. So we need only 10 by 10. So you will have 100 squares. So I have marked 1 inch here, and again this side 1 inch, 1 inch, and this side 1 inch, this side. All the 12 inches I have marked. And from this mark to mark, you have to say, I'm doing it with pen. Don't do it with a pen because for the visibility, I'm doing it here with the pen. You do it with a pencil. Which I have done it already. So like this, you have to complete all the squares. So for the easy thing of you, I mean easy making for children, you can use the marker pens, permanent marker pens, to write the numbers as well as to draw this lines. With the scale, with the permanent marker, you can do that with the pen, permanent marker. Or the CD writer you get, this writer. So whichever you can get hold on, you can make this marks and the marking of numbers. So I think that you will do. Just putting boxes and numbering it. Wherever you want to number, you can number it. You can either write it in the corners or write in the center. I have used a big marker pen. So maybe if you want a very thin lettering, you use with the thin nibs. Okay, thin tips. With that, you can mark it. So for these ladders, actually for the ladders, number of ladders and number of snakes also, there are prescribed number of ladders and snakes that has to be equal, all those things. But don't mind about this. So how much of a ladder you want, you can draw the ladders and the snakes. I'm doing it with a pen because you have to have the visibility. If you want to dry it quickly, I just thought I might need a dryer. I brought this hair dryer, but I'm not using it. So actually, almost it is dried now. I'm going to use this canvas for a different thing, different drawing. So here, so let us say I'm going to make number 1 here, 2, 3 like this, up to 10 here, and then 11. So you have to come like this, numbering. Here it will come 10, and then it is 11, and here it is 20, then it is 21. So 30, 31 here, 40, 41 here, like this, 50, 51 here, like this it has to go. Okay. For ladders, you decide where you want to. I'm going to put from 3 to whatever number here. Maybe you can first now do the numbering, and then you will know from 3 where you want to go. If you want to mark inch, I mean exactly with the same measurement, you can use the measurement in the scale, like for every half centimeter, you draw the rung for the ladder. You can make big ladders, small ladders. Make it more interesting, you name the ladders for what they are getting this appreciation, like what for what they are getting encouraged here, like that. Or you can make different like cards also you can make. So depending upon, see, just to make it interesting, I'm giving you these ideas. When you roll the dice, some number may come and they will end up in the at the foot of the ladder. So if they put 4 and end up at the foot of the ladder and they are going to claim, you can have some card up to 6 for plus, for verses and vices. I mean virtues and vices. For virtues, you can say, okay, you helped the old man today. That's why you are getting this appreciation of getting onto the ladder. So when you get 6 and reach this ladder, then you can give something, some good part of what he did. And maybe when he's reaching the mouth of the snake, maybe you can give some virtue because you did this wrong. That's why you are getting down through the snakes, like that. So they know when they do something wrong, they have to get down in their life. So for snakes, don't bother. If you want to trace it with you want to draw it in the white paper, draw it, and then you can copy it with the yellow carbon. Otherwise, you can just draw a snake. See, just I'm giving a wavy line. Here for the tail part, it is going to be narrow. While going up, it is going to be little bigger. And give a face for the snake. And the tongue. And you can give another line so that you can give the abdomen part for the, I mean, underneath of the snake, for the underneath of the snake. This is going to be the top portion of the snake. So you can put some brown color for the snake. I'll just draw the brown so that you will know like where the snake is. So for children, they just, you can make them do the freehand drawing for the snakes. I know very talented children are participating in this workshop. Ranjan, it is going to be really as easy task for him, and Dhriti also. Ranjan is such a talented guy. He draws human figures and saints and a lot of God's pictures also he draws so well. And Dhriti is Very talented in doing columns, reading stories.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Is this Dhriti or Ranjan?
This is Dhriti.
This is Dhriti. Okay. So whatever color you want for the snake, you can do it. And for the under the abdominal portion, I'm just using sap green is too dark for this board. So I'll use the greenery, or you can use white also. And for the additional thing, for the ladders, I'm going to give a decorative like, glitter I'm going to use. Hope it's seen on the screen. See, instead of just playing with the children, just tell them like why it is played. What is the thing behind this games, any games for that matter, so that they will know that failures and the success, everything depends upon the effort we are putting. And beyond that, if something happens, it's because of our karma, and we have to keep trying. Anyway, we have to reach that God's reach the God finally. So anyway, we have to go on trying, do go on doing the good things, and then you have to reach the goal, whatever, like you can say it as God, it's goal. So even if you keep falling, go on trying to reach your goal. So that's the main philosophical thing of this game, because always you have to get down, and sometimes you are lifted by somebody, you get help so that you get lifted in your life. Sometimes you don't, you have to just work on your own, your way up the corporate ladders. I know it is how it is very difficult and very competitive world. So just these things actually train them to accept anything. Sorry about this. Actually, it is all I was using only, but still it gets dried up. For the snake I'm using, this is bronze. For this, you can use the 3D outliner, I mean, that liquid embroidery phone outliner also. So for this wiggling tongue, you can use black. You can use the black outliner also, 3D outliner also. Let's mark some dots here and there. So depending upon the background color, you can use the colors for this ladder and the snakes. So this is it for, you can draw some like wriggling snake also. You don't have to just put a straight snakes. You can just like this and all you can draw. So depending on like, how big you want and how lengthy you want. So you can name this snake really a big mistake, kind of something like that. So can you see this big snake? Shall I draw it with a pencil? I mean pen. So can you see this now? Any doubts?
No doubts, ma'am. Just clarification.
Yes.
Just repeating what you're doing. All the snakes and ladders only we will be doing with 3D.
Yeah. So that it gives a nice 3D effect, right? From the board.
Okay.
So instead of drawing everything with the paint, so do the thing with 3D outliners or glitters. So just concentrate on the board background with different textures. And then this boxes and numbering everybody can do. And decide on this ladders, how many ladders you want, how many snakes you want, like that. Here I have, for a sample, I have done only 5 ladders. Yeah, 5 ladders and 3 snakes. Okay. And for the coins.
For reference, you post your ladder.
Sure, I'll do that. I have done, put that in my brochure also, in the poster also, but still I will post an individual picture of this. Okay, here I'll tell you just orally about this dies, okay? With the molded, you do this square piece, mix up hardener and resin together, get a white dough, and you have to do, make it square like this. Okay. And then with a thin brush or some stick or toothpick like that, you have to just give a depression here. One for one side, one, and then 2, 3. See, can you see? Just give the depressions. Okay. And then first what you do is, I have painted fully with the crimson red. First fully paint it with the crimson red. If you have glass colors to give a shine for this, if you have glass colors, fully paint with crimson red, and then pour the glass color onto the dies and make it shiny. Let it dry completely, and then you give this color, like filling it with white. Or you can do fully only with red and then give all this white also. See, when you are going to put glass colors, that will get into this white color also, and this will become pink. So it will not be obvious. So maybe you can use the 3D liner white cone to fill up that depression. Over the glass color, if you are painted with glass color, then over that you use this only after the glass colors are dried. And then for the coins, you make different shapes however you want. Just had all the coins here. I couldn't find it. So I could find only one coin. Yeah. See, I have these coins. Can you see this? These are the coins I have made with the molded only. So with half packet of molded, I think you will be able to do all these things. just different shapes you give with the thing. Do it with the molded. I just gave for all this extensions on the top so that it will be easy to handle like this. And then I have given painted with different colors and then used glass colors over it to give a shining.
Manju, can you place it on your white background? I can take a picture of those.
Using glass colors, if you are using blue paint, blue acrylic, over that blue glass.
Yeah,
colors.
blue
Is
glass
that-
colors. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. Yeah, little. Yeah. Okay, fine. 1 minute. 1 second. Yeah, done. Thanks.
Okay. So this is it for the class today. So how did you find the class? I mean, I actually, more than the making the box and everything, I was very fascinated about telling the philosophy behind it. So can we have video, all of your video on? This I want to see my participants so that I can name the, I mean, I can connect with the names to the faces.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi,
I am
just a
Lakshmi
minute.
Subramanian.
Lakshmi Sampath, wait, Lakshmi Sampath, yeah, I've seen you now. They are,
Ma'am, Varalakshmi.
yes, Varalakshmi ma'am. I'll take the full screen also. And Saravana Kalishwaran, Aarti Ilangovan. Hi. So you are Aarti Ilangovan or your mom? Hello.
This is Kaushika, ma'am.
This is Brinda Kumaresan, ma'am. Thank you for switching on the videos. Indu.
Ma'am, can you please show the snake again, ma'am?
I'll do more. See here, I have made it very simple. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I made it really very simple. So you can do like 2 colors with 2 colors. You can see this one. It's a straight snake. I mean, almost straight it is. So here I have given a wriggling snake. Okay. It just snake is drawing is not difficult for anybody. You have to just do parallelly 3 lines and give 2 colors in between them and use the glitter for the outliners. As an outliner, you can glitters or any 3D liquid embroidery lines.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and in the boxes you have to number. You have to write the numbers. Bye, Sudha.
Hi, ma'am. This is
Thank you.
Kaushika Sivakumaran.
Okay. I was asking, that's why I asked.
Manju, it was a good session. I have to
Thank
go.
you. Yeah.
Aarti is my mother's
Friends are on the
name, ma'am.
phone.
Okay.
I'll send the
Thank
photos
you.
later to you.
Yeah,
Thank
sure,
you, ma'am.
sure. Thank you,
Thank you.
Sudha. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's why I asked you, it is Aarti or her daughter. So what's your good name you told me?
Kaushika, ma'am.
Kaushika. Okay, good, good. I'll try to remember your name. Okay, thank you. Okay, shall we end the session? Do you have any doubts? Any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So let's
No,
complete the
ma'am.
session.
Thank you.
Yeah, please submit it. Today is Monday. Can you do it by Saturday? I'll put it in the group. So it's very simple
Yes, ma'am.
actually. In 1 hour time, you can do that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I'll end the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.